Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the best landscape ideas for swimming pools. If you are thinking about adding a pool to your backyard or simply looking for some inspiration for your existing pool, you have come to the right place. So let's dive in. If you are looking to create a natural look for your pool, consider incorporating natural elements such as rocks, waterfall, and greenery. This will give your pool a more organic feel and create a relaxing atmosphere. You can also add some rustic elements like wooden pool decks, pergolas, and outdoor furniture to enhance the natural look. If you prefer a modern look, consider incorporating sleek and minimalist design elements like clean lines, geometric shapes, and contemporary materials such as glasses, metals, and concrete. Use contrasting colors like white and black to give your pool a more sophisticated and elegant appearance. If you want to create a Mediterranean inspired look for your pool, consider incorporating terracotta tiles, blue and white colors, and wrought iron furniture. Use ornate patterns and mosaic to add a touch of elegance and sophistication. You can also add some potted plants like olive trees, citrus trees, and herbs to complete the Mediterranean look. If you want to create a beachy vibe for your pool, consider incorporating light colors, natural materials like wood and wicker, and beach inspired decor like shells, starfish. Use nautical elements like ropes and chores to create seaside atmosphere. You can also add some outdoor showers and changing room to complete the beachy look. If you are looking for a tranquil and peaceful environment, consider creating a Zen inspired pool landscape. Incorporate elements like bamboo, rock gardens, and low maintenance plants like succulents and ferns. Use simple and clean lines to create a climbing and balanced atmosphere. You can also add some Japanese lanterns and statues to complete the Zen garden look. If you live in a dry climate, a desert oasis theme may be perfect for your pool landscape. Use natural stones, gravel, and cacti to create a low maintenance and eco friendly environment. Use earthy colors like brown, beige, and rust to enhance the desert theme. You can also add some shaded areas and outdoor misting system to create a cool and comfortable space. If you are looking for a more elegant and refined look for your pool landscape, consider creating a formal garden. Use symmetrical patterns, hedges, tuberies to create a structured and sophisticated environment. Use classic materials like brick, stone, and marble to enhance the formal look. You can also add some fountains and sculpture to create a grand and luxurious atmosphere. If you prefer a more romantic and whimsical look for your pool landscape, consider creating a cottage garden. Use a mix of color flowers, herbs, and vegetables to create a charming and rustic environment. Use natural materials like wood, stone, and wrought iron to enhance the cottage garden theme. You can also add some vintage furniture and birdhouses to create a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. If you're looking for a pool landscape that's modern, sleek, and stylish, consider creating a contemporary look. Use clean lines, simple shapes, and bold colors to create a minimalist and sophisticated environment. Use material like stainless steel, glass, and concrete to enhance the contemporary look. You can also add some mood lighting and fire features to create a dramatic and impressive atmosphere. So, there you have it, our top landscape ideas for swimming pools. Whether you prefer a natural, modern, tropical, Mediterranean, or beachy look, there is design style out there that's perfect for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great ideas and inspiration. See you in the next video.